Morphett Air.
Using your Daikin Air Purifier controller is easy. Its user-friendly functions enhances your home comfort, so you can enjoy the Daikin lifestyle. The on-off button is located in the top right-hand corner of the controller. Simply press the button once to start or switch off the unit. To engage the Childproof Lock, press the lock button for 2 seconds. To release the lock, press again for 2 seconds. For automatic fan operation, press the Auto Fan button to activate. The setting will be automatically chosen according to the air quality in the room. If you wish to change the airflow manually, press the Fan Set button once. Each press will advance through the settings. Select a speed ranging from low to high, or quiet mode for a gentle flow of air. To clean the air and remove contaminants in the room quickly, press Turbo to activate the turbo operation. To clean pollen from the air, press the Anti-Pollen button to activate. This function produces moderate airstream to catch pollen before it drops to the floor. For sleep mode operation, press the Sleep Mode button. An optimal airflow rate is automatically selected to ensure quiet operations while you are sleeping. To set the timer operation, press the Off Timer button. Each press will advance through the settings. You can select a 1, 2 or 4 hour operating duration, after which time the unit will automatically switch off. Press the Brightness button to change the brightness of the unit display lamp. The brightness changes each time the button is pressed. For more information, please consult your manual or contact our customer service line on 1300 368 300.